Welcome back my fellow plastic menders to 3D pen crafts made easy. My name is DK and today we will follow along my oldest brother as he will craft Saitama of the anime series One Punch Man. When he stopped by with his drawing, prepared to craft him, I already had to laugh. This series is so freaking funny. For this craft, he will try to add a keychain to him. This is something I mentioned before and is the long awaited attempt of making a keychain. Let's see how he manages to achieve this. Enjoy. To add the keychain to the craft, he opted to try to directly encapsulate the last shackle of the chain. To make sure the shackles are well fitted, he also bent underneath on the backside. And furthermore, he fortified the whole craft by completing the encapsulation as a second layer. I think this craft came out amazing and a big success on making the keychain. After this, we tried baking the craft and tested out the strength of the fit. The overall size of the craft stayed intact, but the black line art has flown down a bit, making it seem as if its head became bigger, which is unfortunate. Aside that, the middle shackles of the chain broke while testing the strength of the fit, so that's not going anywhere fortunately. Thanks for watching and happy bending everyone.